Hi, I'm Frances with Lakeshore. Our next teaching tip is all about beginning sounds. These students are learning how to isolate and sound out the beginning sounds of words, which helps them to decode and get ready to read. Lakeshore has some amazing tools to help set you up for teaching success. The first item is your key to unlocking beginning sounds. It's the alphabet learning locks. You get 26 locks with an uppercase letter on one side and a beginning sound picture on the other side. Each lock has its own key with the matching lowercase letter. Students practice beginning sounds by finding the right key to open the lock. Monkey starts with the sound. Can you find the key? Instant reinforcement. And they're practicing upper and lowercase letter recognition too. Here's another fantastic hands-on introduction to letter sounds that's packed with adorable miniature objects that your students will love. In the Alphabet Sounds teaching tubs, you'll get 26 little tubs, each with an upper and lowercase plastic letter, and 6 high-quality objects that share the same beginning sound. Let's look at some of the small group activities that can be done while using the tubs. Choose 3 or 4 tubs and mix up the miniatures on the table. Invite students to work together to sort the items into the correct tubs. Once students are done sorting, you can help them check their work by reading the list underneath the lid while checking the items placed in the tub. For the next activity, place a plastic letter on a tray with 4 or 5 miniatures that share the beginning sound. Then, add 1 incorrect miniature and have students race to find the one that doesn't belong. After practicing a letter sound, have your students go around the room and find other items that begin with the same sound. Regroup on the floor to make a list together. This could be a great opportunity for creating a word wall in your classroom. Here's another great tool for practicing beginning sounds. It's the Lakeshore Alphabet Rockets. The 26 durable plastic rockets come in 3 easy-fitting pieces that show the upper and lowercase letter, plus 4 pictures for each letter sound. Students practice identifying beginning sounds and recognizing the letters. The rockets come in 4 colors, allowing your students to narrow down the correct letters, but still applying their learned skills. I hope you've enjoyed this teaching tip on beginning sounds. Your teaching strategies are ready for liftoff with these amazing items from Lakeshore.